Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best skateboards that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Skateboards. Skateboard is believed to be one favorable sport for everyone, especially for teenagers. Riding skateboard can be considered as doing sport, and only those who are trained hard and flexible that can get to ride this well and take the ride to the next level. Anyway, riding skateboard makes us look cool as well, and it is good to give it a try. There are many kinds of skateboard are available. Number 5. Adam Pintail Longboard 39-inch skateboards. Longboard with classic deck shape helps you avoid wheel bite. Awesome Pintail longboard, great for cruising. Ideal for beginner longboard riders. Full coverage grip tape top. Main features: 8.5-inch aluminum trucks. Maple laminate deck. Colorful design. Number 4. Powell Golden Dragon Flying Dragon Complete Skateboard. Providing a high-quality ride at an entry-level price, this complete skateboard from Powell Golden is a great choice for both beginners. Main features: colorful screen-printed bottom. Length 31.625 inches. Made in China. Number 3. The Bossboard Complete 22 inches Vintage Skateboard. While the silky Beck 7 wheel bearings give a smooth ride with minimal effort, and the solid aluminum trucks provide control and support. Main features: high-density plastic deck, 59mm super smooth wheels, full lifetime warranty. Number 2. Crown Rookie Complete Skateboard. Narrow and lightweight, this model is the perfect size for someone who is getting into skating and looking for an upgrade from the common big box retailer. Main features: 52mm urethane graphic wheels, Canadian maple construction, 5.0 inches aluminum trucks. Number 1. SCS K8 Pro Skateboard / Cruiser Pre-Assembled Complete. Our boards are for the casual skater, the everyday rider, the beginner, the pro. Main features: high bounce flat spot resistance 52mm, 7-ply maple construction, aluminum 5 inches trucks. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.